Welcome to Math for All Academy. In this video, I'm going to walk you through everything you need to know about quadratic equations in factored form. So in factored form, this is how quadratic equations look. So you would have an a here, and then there's x minus r, and then x minus s. So for a quadratic in factored form, these will be the x-intercepts, r and s. So the parabola intersects the x-axis at r, 0 and s, 0. The vertex uses this as an equation, r plus s divided by 2. That'll give you your vertex of the parabola, which is also the axis of symmetry. So let's work through an example. Here we have y equals x squared plus 12x plus 32. And we have our zeros here. The problem is giving us the numbers here. They're giving us our x-intercepts of negative 8, 0 and minus 4, 0. So this is our r and this is our s, okay? So let's rewrite the equation into factored form. So we're going to write this into this format. We know what r and s is, and we know that a is 1 because we can see that here, a is 1. We know that r is negative 8, so we put that in. And we know that s is negative 4, so we put that in. So now we can simplify this. X times negative 8 gives x plus 8. So x minus negative 8 is x plus 8. X minus negative 4 is x plus 4. So now let's find the vertex and the axis of symmetry. We can use this equation. So the vertex is r plus s over 2, which is also the axis of symmetry. So we have r is negative 8, s is negative 4. Divide that by 2, and that gives us the vertex equals negative 6. And we could see the vertex right here. And that's it. That's all there is that you need to know about quadratics in factored form. And don't worry if you don't understand this right away. You could just rewatch the video as well. Take a look at the description. There's a link there to my ebook that you could download. In the ebook, you'll find a link to this very lesson. You can follow along in the ebook as you watch the video. As well, in the description, I have links to other videos of mine that I've done that are similar to this. You could check those out if you need extra help. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for listening.